It's Kaye coming to you with a hairstyling competition, and I was paired with Keep It on a Delo. Now, we already know how I do, so we gonna see who got this hairstyling game on lock. Now, this new Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection got everything you need. That power wash for a deep clarifying cleanse. Now, if you're feeling a little dry, don't worry. Aunt Jackie got you with Rescue. Now, this deep conditioner moisture is the truth. Now, this next product right here, Ice Curls, will keep your curls real smooth. And I don't even feel like I need to say more, but just so you know, it's good for hair types 3 and 4. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more lightweight, just use some Frizz Patrol, girl. This product that have your curls, coils, and waves controlled. Now, to top off your new style with that healthy gloss, going with some Shine Boss. And if you're looking for something strong that'll last all day long, use some Slick that'll have your edges laid and slayed. Now, while I style my hair, all I'm gonna need for y'all to do is stay tuned, because I got part 2 coming to you real soon.
Hey girlfriends, it's me, Delo Brown, back with something new, the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection. I know you guys are super excited to see what's inside, so let me show you. Voila! Now guys, I want you to dive in and tune into my hair tutorial, which is coming up next. And I'm not only challenging you, but I'm challenging Kelsey to get in on this hashtag AJ for all hair kind, hashtag AJ Texture Challenge. See you guys soon.